The proportional Hall effect thumbsticks from APEM offer distinctive features and specifications. APEM's TS series of thumbsticks, using non-contact Hall effect technology, are available in options of either 1 or 2 axis and have an optional push-button handle. With an expected life of 1 million cycles, these thumbsticks have an operating force of 3.1 newtons or 0.7 pound force, are submersible to 1 meter, and have redundant outputs available, along with an optional USB output. The handle type has many options including castle, mushroom, low profile, and many others. The wiring is available with either 22 gauge or 28 gauge pigtails, ideal for either standalone applications or tightly constrained wire routing. The USB option is USB 1.1 HID compliant and is recognized as a standard HID game controller device, making it plug and play with most versions of Windows. The USB supplied wiring is male Type A connector with overmolded cable.